Let's learn English through daily conversations. Today's topic is gardening. Are you ready? Let's get started. How to plant roses.
Glad you helped me with the flowers today. Honey, have you ever tried planting roses before?
No, I've never had the chance, but I want to help you. You're going to teach me, right?
Of course, but be ready, it's not as easy as it looks.
Don't worry, I'm prepared. So where do we start? Can we start digging here?
Haha, nope. First, we need to pick the right spot. Roses like sunshine.
Oh, right. Plants need sunlight to grow strong.
Exactly, and don't forget, they need good soil. I have prepared high-quality soil for these roses, not the stuff we use for tomatoes.
Oh dear, I was hoping we could use the leftover soil from yesterday.
No way, darling, roses deserve better than that. We need rich, well-drained soil.
Got it. Rich soil for a rich flower. What's next?
Now, we need to dig a hole, but not too deep. Think of it as a rose's cozy little bed.
Haha, you are funny. Okay, hand me the shovel.
Wow, that's some fast digging. You are really good at this.
Of course, I'll let the roses have their beauty sleep.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Rose. A type of flower that is often red, pink, or white. Soil. The top layer of earth where plants grow. Sunshine. The light and warmth from the sun. Your listening question is: what does John need to do before planting the roses? Answer: he needs to choose a sunny spot and use good soil. Watering plants properly. Hey, sweetie, today we're watering the plants. But remember, don't water them too much.
Oh, don't worry, Mom. I know what I'm doing.
Haha, really? Last time, you watered the plants like you were giving them a shower.
Oh, come on, Mom. I just wanted the plants to grow fast.
Well, a lot of water does not mean plants will grow fast.
Really? I thought water was their food.
For them to grow properly, they need the right amount of water. Not too little and not too much.
What will happen if I water them a lot, Mommy?
Plants need water, but too much can drown the roots and make it hard for them to breathe.
Oh no, so I should just water them a little, right?
Exactly. Only water more if the soil feels dry.
Got it. Don't make the plants drown in water.
That's right. And remember to water them in the morning or evening, not when the sun is really hot.
Thanks, Mom. You've taught me so much. I'll water the plants just right from now on.
Great job, sweetheart. The plants will love you. Let's look at the vocabulary. Water. A part of water that is not deep. Root. The movement of water caused by wind or tides, especially noticeable at the beach. Properly. The sound or action of water being disturbed, usually by jumping or moving quickly. Your listening question is: according to Mom, why is it important not to water the plants too much? Answer: because too much water can drown the roots and make it hard for them to breathe. Pruning plants carefully.
Today's the day. We need to prune these plants today.
Pruning, is that when you cut certain branches of a plant? Oh my. Do you think it's a little too advanced for a rookie like me?
Ha ha ha, don't worry. It's not as hard as it looks. You just need to know which branches to cut.
So what exactly do we cut here?
First of all, pruning is meant to promote overall plant health. So, you only cut the dead or damaged branches, not the healthy ones.
Got it. So I should look for the bad branches first.
Exactly, and make sure to use sharp scissors or pruning shears. Dull tools can damage the plant.
I see. This is like giving a good haircut for the plant.
Ha ha ha, yeah, just like a nice trim, it helps the plant grow better.
That's cool, but how do I know how much to cut off?
Good question. For these ornamental plants, just cut back about a third of the plant size. That should be enough.
A third, that sounds easy enough. Thanks for teaching me, James.
No problem, Sarah. The plants will look great after we're done.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Prune. To cut off dead or unwanted branches from a plant. Ornamental. Used for decoration, not for growing food. Branches. The parts of a plant that grow out from the stem. Your listening question is: what branches does James say should be pruned? Answer: James says to prune the dead or damaged branches, not the healthy ones. Let's improve the soil.
Hey, Charlotte. Today we're going to improve the soil so we can plant some vegetables.
What does improve the soil mean, Daddy?
Well, it means making the soil better for the plants so they can grow strong and healthy.
Oh, like giving the plants a better house.
Exactly. Plants need good soil to get the nutrients they need to grow.
So, the soil is also food. Do we give the soil food like our food?
Haha, sort of. We add things like compost and fertilizer to make the soil better.
What is a compost, Daddy?
Compost is made from old vegetables, leaves, and grass. It helps the soil stay healthy.
Wow! So the soil eats vegetables just like we do.
Yes, in a way. Now we need to mix the compost into the soil.
I can help mix. I like playing with dirt.
That's the spirit. Let's get our hands dirty and make the soil ready for the vegetables.
Yay! Daddy always have the best game.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Compost. Decayed organic matter used to improve soil. Fertilizer. A substance added to soil to help plants grow. Nutrient. Substances that plants need to grow, like vitamins for humans. Your listening question is: why is the father improving the soil? Answer: he is improving the soil so the vegetables can grow strong and healthy. Growing vegetables your apartment.
Mom, I've been starting a small vegetable garden on the balcony recently. What do you think?
Oh my, these look amazing, Ella. I didn't know we could really grow vegetables here, so high up.
Yes, we can. There are many vegetables that grow well in pots, like tomatoes and herbs.
Really? I thought we needed a big garden for that.
Nope, a balcony garden can work perfectly. We just need some good pots and soil.
That sounds easy enough. But what about sunlight? The balcony doesn't get sun all day.
That's a good point, Mom. Some vegetables, like spinach and lettuce, don't need too much sunlight, so they'll be perfect here.
What about watering? I'm not great with keeping plants watered.
Haha, don't worry. We can get a watering can, or even a small drip system. It's easy to take care of.
I like the sound of that. So, what are you having here already?
I'm starting with herbs like basil and mint. We can use them in cooking.
Perfect. I can already imagine fresh basil in our pasta.
Me too. I will make you the best pasta ever. Very soon, Mom.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Balcony. A platform outside a building, usually with a railing, where you can place plants. Herb. Plants used in cooking for flavor. Pot. Containers for growing plants. Your listening question is: what vegetables does Ella starts with? Answer: Ella starts with herbs like basil and mint. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.